day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Direct Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis on Euro Dollar, we are still looking at a bullish trend. No doubt there is a very strong bearish movement, but as long as the currency did not break and close below 1.1181, it's still considered a strong bullish trend. Alright, head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, another retracement. So it retraced back into this zone over here. Take note, I'm waiting for a double bottom to engage the trade to the 1-hour chart. This is what I have. Back to daily chart, but I'll share with you my analysis. On the daily chart, we have a bullish godly pattern. A bearish godly pattern completing at 1.1427 for a selling opportunity. Alright. And within this buy zone, head down to the 4-hour chart. Looking for a buying opportunity like I have shared earlier on, waiting for a double bottom at 1.1205 area to the 1-hour chart. This is what I have. So if you love to see the development of this trade, join us this Wednesday Facebook Live at 6:08 PM Singapore time. Till then, remember always plan your trade, your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.